Boston police just recovered a firearm. Looks like 2 firearms on the Columbia Road. Like 2 people in custody. And they got something else going on the other side of Columbia Road as well. Not too sure what they got going on the other side, but this we got on this side.
Not tied up on that wash, just clear out.
So you got another call on Washington Street. Let's see what they got.
Area 104, same thing. Alright, 104-19 Newport, issue between tenants there.
So this is where they recovered a second, I want to say they recovered 2 firearms, I'm not 100% sure. But let me take a walk on this side so you can see what they... He's the firearm guy. He's been collecting all the firearms lately.
Tell you what the general was doing tonight, was she doing anything with it?
And this, so not too long ago, a couple of weeks ago, they recovered another firearm in the same location. We got a lot of calls they're going to. You can't keep track of all the calls, but they got another call up here on Washington Street they went to.
I'm sorry, that's going to be a disturbance. I'm 421, do you want to take that code 9? Got it. Right on traffic. Station has been executed from this EMS. Somebody's making up.
Like I said, these officers, they go through a lot of measures, you know, to recover these firearms. It's not like you just come across a firearm, pick it up off the street. You gotta, you know, do a lot of intel and it's, you know, I mean, it's a lot of work out, a lot of footwork. And I believe C11 gets a firearm recovered on their district as well. So this is B3. Actually, this is B2. Sorry, I'm on the B. This is like the B2 side. Well, actually, you know what? Yeah, well, B2, B3 side. It's kind of like. I think this is more B. Well, this is probably more B3 than B2. B2 will be the other side of Devon. This side will be B3, I think. Kind of breaks up in a weird pattern.
You clear?
Like I said, we'll hang around here and then we'll go to the next scene in a few.
36, got it, thanks.
A lot of people are just slowing down just to see what's going on. I think they got all 4 canines working tonight too, if I'm not mistaken. I know they got at least 3, but it might be all 4 canines working tonight.
Engine 14, an outside fire, Melia Cass Boulevard, and Hampton Street.
Gotta go over and recover the firearm. You can see that cardboard box. More likely it's a firearm he's put inside there. On this one, I believe they got 2 arrests on this one. If I'm not mistaken. This one may be 2 arrests, 1 firearm. I don't get it all correct 100%. So if I'm off on the numbers.
Yeah.
Harry 103.
Good.
We're clear from BMC. We'll be out 20, but you can preempt us and take us off code 19 Frank at St. Peter's.
Good. All companies clear 351.
All right, another one down. All right, doing a great job out there, my man. another one to show evidence to the city. Another firearm off the street. Great work out there, guys. Keep up the great work. Just so you know, that's what they're doing. They're gaining a lot of intel, and they're gaining a lot of video footage, and they're slowly but surely trying to put peace in the city. These people here are impatient, gonna cause an accident. Everybody's in a rush to go nowhere. It's tough to cross these streets. These people they won't stop for a police officer, nevertheless try to stop for you. So you just got to be careful out there. Off to the next one. I think there's another, well, it'll be a surprise. If we find stuff else down the street, we'll let you know. Get you guys on the next one.